Hi everyone, Caroline here. So today I want to share with you another crystal that I have been shown for myself at least that will help us navigate these energies at this time. I'm not really sure or certain whether this crystal is going to be used in the higher dimensions, but at least I know that at this point it's been shown to me that this rose quartz crystal is going to be very, very important in navigating realms because it will aid in the release of the dense energies to support those who are moving forward, or to really help in just releasing the dense energies that are keeping people still mixed up in the lower realms and their dense energies. So rose quartz is a very special crystal, and at least for me it has gone through this journey of evolution. And from the beginning of my journey with rose quartz, it was always like a love crystal, and it kind of evolved into showing me different elements of what love really meant. And I started using it really for my own personal growth and evolution, and not really using it for the external things. It's just been a love journey that I've documented throughout my YouTube videos and what it has been teaching me, like in the past. Now I'm talking about this current moment where I'm feeling like I'm in a new place. So rose quartz has always been that very special crystal, and it's just always going to be about love, which we all are and which everything is about. You know what I mean? It just never changes. It might switch roles here and there, but it just never changes. It's about love, and love has very, very many fragments and very, very many layers and whatnot. So I had this dream again, because crystals speak to me in dreams. Most of the time they come to me in dreams, and I see how they are used in other realms, and they just communicate with me like that, and I just love these babies, you know what I mean? So anywho, in the dream, rose quartz and all these other pink crystals, I know there's rhodochrosite, there's rhodonite, there's pink calcite, there's mangano calcite, there's all these varieties of pink crystals, maybe pink kunzite, whatever. The pink crystals were there with rose quartz, and they were all showing me that they were going to be placed in dark, dense areas, dark, dense situations. And I could feel that they were absorbing energies and diffusing energies and just destroying the dark energies that were in those dark places. And there was this understanding that all these crystals are going in dark corners, the dark corners of the world, the dark corners of your life, the dark corners of your life experience, the dark corners that you are in any kind of situation. You know what I mean? Pink crystals, rose quartz crystals. This is the energy. For me, at least, this is the way I'm using it. This is the way I'm going to be using rose quartz crystals. Every dark corner. Whenever I feel a dark energy, any place in my room or in my house or in my life that there's a dark energy or a dark situation I want to deal with, rose quartz is coming with me, or rose quartz is going to be in that situation, because I've seen, it has shown me that now it is now moving beyond self-love, outside of myself, and we are going out there. We are going out there externally in corners, dark corners. So this is now my new way with rose quartz. We always have to listen to guidance. We always have to notice when energies have changed. We always have to notice when the crystals have changed the way the energies are operating in your life. Otherwise, you might just be kind of just moving along and not experiencing anything and not really listening. And the thing is, crystals are always speaking, and we gotta listen, right? And let me just say this. These are new days. These are new times. We cannot latch onto the way energies used to work in the past. We have to evaluate everything, or reevaluate everything, and listen again and listen afresh for incoming freshness of information about how we are to work with these spiritual tools. Things are just not the same. The energies have changed. The crystals have also upgraded. You know what I mean? So everything is different, and we have to be in tune so we can move with these energies and really effect change the way we need to. Okay, so have you experienced anything new with rose quartz or any other crystals for that matter? Let me know in the comment section. And for now, rose quartz, right? I love you guys. Bye.